Welcome chemistry, physics, and science viewers. Today is a wonderful day, as you can see, for physics.
Join us as we launch this pumpkin off of this balcony. And as we launch this pumpkin off of this balcony, we are going to be calculating the velocity of the pumpkin as it hits the ground and the time it takes to get there. Keep watching.
Alright guys, we are about to launch the pumpkin, but we needed a few helpers, so if you see some other people in the video, that's Mara in the green shirt.
Hola.
That's Ashley. And up there is little Alyssa. Okay, so we're going to launch the pumpkin. Alright. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, as you can see, our y variable is 8.5 feet.
And our x variable is
11 feet, 1 inch.
11 feet, 1 inch.
Alright, so we're going to go inside and help you calculate that in
The velocity
the
of
velocity.
our pumpkin.
Alright?
Using the Pythagorean theorem. Right?
Using kinematics equations. Alright
Same
guys,
thing.
here we have our givens. Since we're looking for v of x, we have a question mark there. Because we don't know it.
But in order to find v of x, we also need to find time. And I know we gave that to you earlier, but we're going to have you find it anyways.
Yeah, so just disregard what we said.
Oh, I detect a problem, Mallory.
What?
This is in inches, and this is in meters.
So, what does that mean? That means we have to
That
convert.
means we quit.
No, Logan, that does not mean we quit.
Oh, okay. Well, I have this handy-dandy little conversion. Alright, look what we have here. Since there are 138 inches in our problem, there's how many inches in 1 foot? 12. And then,
You always want to cross multiply. So both of these have to match.
and they do. And these match. So, 138 divided by the quantity 12 times 3 gives us 3.8 meters.
Yes. And as you see, these cross out after you multiply, which just leaves you with the meters.
Same thing down here, 102 divided by 12 times 3 gives us 2.8 meters. So, there you go. All right, 3.8, 2.8. Marker.
Use a different sheet.
All right.
I know how Logan told you that we are going to use the Pythagorean theorem, but we're not. We're going to use kinematics equations, which our equation to find delta t would be y equals 1/2 gravity times delta t squared. Gravity is always negative 9.81 meters per second.
So, we have 2.8 equals 1/2 0.81.
All right, what do you do next?
You quit.
No, you don't quit.
All right.
You multiply the 1/2 times the negative 9.81.
Which is negative hold on, I got it. Divided by 2. 4.91 t squared. So now you divide this by negative 4.9. 0.8 divided by negative 4.9 equals, you get a negative 0.57. And time's always positive, so you just make that 0.57. And now you take the square root, so 0.57 equals, it's okay, 0.75 seconds.
You always want to remember when you're in chemistry or physics, you want to have the correct sig figs, which are significant figures.
Mallory, figs are a Christmas fruit. What are you talking about?
No, Logan, they're significant figures. See,
Oh.
there's 2 sig figs in this, 2 sig figs in this. So that means your answer must have 2 sig figs, or it will be wrong. I'm
How
sorry.
many pomegranates are there?
There were like 8 pomegranates.
Oh, okay. All right.
All right. So now that we have delta T,
T equals, which is a little different than we got, or a lot different, but we're just going to roll with it.
we are going to roll with it.
Okay.
Because human error,
Yep. Okay, now, what do we do now?
we need to find v of x.
Ah, yes. So, velocity equals,
Delta x over delta t. Now, since we have delta x and delta t, this is going to be very simple.
all right, our delta x is, hold on.
3.8
3.8 meters. 3.8 meters over 0.75 seconds. All right.
Now, with that, you want to divide
3.8.
by the 0.75.
Wow, would you look at that number? It's huge. Okay, so 2 sig figs, it gives us 5.1 meters per second.
That is the initial velocity. That is the final velocity of the pumpkin as
you
it
can
hit
see,
the ground.
it was really hauling. It was going pretty fast.
It was hauling butt.
Yeah. So you go ahead and try this at home. All you need is a pumpkin,
A stopwatch
a tape measure,
and
a porch,
a porch.
and a little bit of physics up in the noggin.
All right, if you want to leave comments or
No, the comments are mean. No.
you can leave comments or video responses, whatever you'd like. We're gonna check them out. Okay, bye.